A very warm greetings to students and friends. Myself, Professor Rohit Shinde from Mahatma Gandhi Vidya Mandir's Arts, Science and Commerce College, Manmad. In the previous two video lectures, we have seen Introduction to MOT, LCAO approximation, shapes of S, P, D orbitals, different combinations of atomic orbitals. In this video lecture, I am going to explain the difference between AOs and MOs, the difference between BMO and ABMO, rules for LCAO, and lastly, the molecular orbital diagram for homonuclear diatomic molecule. So let us start with the difference between atomic orbitals and molecular orbitals. Atomic orbitals contains single nucleus, while molecular orbital contains more than one nucleus. Atomic orbitals are named as SPDF. Molecular orbitals are named as sigma pi delta. Atomic orbitals are derived from particular atom. Molecular orbitals are derived from the constituent atoms. Atomic orbital has definite shape, size and energy. The size, shape and energy of the molecular orbital depends upon shape, size and energy of the constituent atoms. In atomic orbitals, nucleus of the atom is fixed in space. In molecular orbital, nuclei of the constituent atoms are fixed in space. Let us see rules for linear combination of atomic orbitals. If the two wave functions of the atomic orbitals have the same sign, then it will result in the formation of bonding molecular orbital. If the two wave function of the atomic orbital have the different sign, then it will result in the formation of antibonding molecular orbital. Third, the number of molecular orbital formed will be equal to the number of atomic orbital taking part in the combination. The atomic orbital which are of lower energy or which don't have proper symmetry will result in the formation of non-bonding molecular orbital. Fifth, if there are three atomic orbitals taking part in the bond formation, they will result in the formation of one bonding, one anti-bonding and one non-bonding molecular orbitals. Sixth, the atomic orbitals which form the molecular orbital should have comparable energy. Now let us see the difference between bonding molecular orbitals and anti-bonding molecular orbitals. BMOs are obtained by addition of wave function. ABMOs are obtained by subtraction of the wave functions. BMO has lower energy than the combining atomic orbitals. ABMO has higher energy than the combining atomic orbitals. BMOs are stable, ABMOs are unstable. Electron density is concentrated in between the nuclei in case of BMO, while in antibonding molecular orbital, electron density is concentrated away from the nuclei. BMO result in bonding, ABMO result in non-bonding. There is no node in case of BMO. ABMO has a node perpendicular to the bond axis. In BMO, nuclear repulsion is shielded. In ABMO, nuclear repulsion is not shielded. Now, let us see molecular orbital energy level diagram for homonuclear diatomic molecules. Homonuclear means having similar nucleus. Diatomic molecule means molecule formed by combination of two atoms. For example, H2 molecule. In case of H2 molecule is formed by combination of two atoms, first hydrogen atom and the second hydrogen atoms, and these two hydrogens are similar. That's why the term used is homonuclear, that is same nucleus. Here are the few examples of homonuclear diatomic molecules: H2 molecule, He2 molecule, C2 molecule, F2 molecule. So let us see molecular orbital diagrams of H2 plus ion. In this diagram, the energy is increasing, which is shown here. From bottom to top, energy is increasing. So atomic orbitals are shown, one is on the left side and the other is on the right hand side. So this is the atomic orbital of first hydrogen atom, and this one is the atomic orbital of the second hydrogen ion. This hydrogen atom consisting of one electron in the 1s atomic orbital, while the hydrogen ion consisting of 0 electron in the 1s atomic orbital. So these two atomic orbital combines and forms molecular orbitals. So molecular orbitals are represented in the center of this diagram. So after the combination of two atomic orbitals, there is formation of two molecular orbital. First is bonding molecular orbital and the second is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Since the combination of two 1s orbitals results in the formation of sigma bond, and hence the molecular orbitals are called as a sigma molecular orbitals. The lower energy molecular orbital is bonding molecular orbital, shown by name sigma 1s, while sigma star 1s is the higher energy anti-bonding molecular orbital. So in case of H2 plus ion, two hydrogen atoms combine and forms two molecular orbital. One is bonding, that is sigma, and another is anti-bonding, and that is sigma star. Since the bonding molecular orbital is lower in energy, the electron occupies in the bonding molecular orbital as shown here. The filling of electron in the molecular orbital is done by following Abbaug's principle and Hund's rule of maximum spin multiplicity. So you know the hydrogen atoms electronic configuration we can write as a 1s1. For carbon, electronic configuration can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. In similar way, we can write the electronic configuration for the molecular orbital of this H2 plus ion. So molecular orbital electronic configuration can be written as sigma 1s1 and sigma star 1s0. Since there is one electron, so we can write in this way, sigma 1s1 and sigma star 1s0. So this is the molecular orbital electronic configuration of H2 plus ion. There are three important applications of MOT. First one is calculation of energy evolved, another one is a bond order, and the last one is a magnetic nature. So energy evolved during the formation of H2 plus ion can be calculated by using this formula. The number of electrons in BMO multiplied by minus beta plus the number of electrons in ABMO into plus beta. So we can put directly the values in this formula to calculate the energy evolved. So bonding molecular orbital possess 1 electron, anti-bonding molecular orbital possess 0 electron. So 1 into minus beta plus number of electron in ABMO is equal to 0. So 0 into beta, it becomes 0. So energy evolved in the formation of the H2 plus ion is minus beta, and this energy is called as a stabilization energy. Now let us calculate bond order. Firstly, what is bond order? The bond order is nothing but the number of bonds present between the two atoms is called as a bond order. The bond order can be calculated by using this formula, 1/2 multiplied by number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO. So let us put the actual values in this formula to calculate bond order. So the number of electrons in BMO is equal to 1 and the number of electrons in ABMO is equal to 0. So 1/2 multiplied by 1 minus 0. So it becomes half into 1, which is equal to half. The bond order is equal to half. It indicates the H2 plus ion is somewhat stable. Now let us see magnetic nature of H2 plus ion. So you can see in this diagram there is presence of one unpaired electron. If unpaired electron is present in the MOT diagram, it means that the molecule is paramagnetic in nature. If the molecule possesses all paired electron, it means the molecule is diamagnetic molecule. So in case of H2 plus ion, it contains one unpaired electron and hence it is a paramagnetic in nature. Now let us see molecular orbital energy level diagram for H2 molecule. In case of H2 molecule, it contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 electrons. Here atomic orbitals are shown on the left side and the right hand side of this diagram, while in the middle the molecular orbitals are shown. Energy is again increasing from bottom to top. So after the combination of 2 hydrogen atoms, there is formation of 2 molecular orbitals. One is bonding molecular orbital, that is sigma 1s. Another one is a anti-bonding molecular orbital, that is sigma star 1s. After the combination of 2 atomic orbitals, the 2 electrons are occupied in the lower energy molecular orbital, that is bonding molecular orbital, while the anti-bonding molecular orbital is vacant. We can write the molecular orbital electronic configuration of H2 molecule. Since sigma 1s contains 2 electrons and sigma star 1s is vacant, the molecular orbital electronic configuration can be written as sigma 1s 2 and sigma star 1s 0. Here we can calculate the energy evolved using this formula. The number of electrons in BMO is equal to 2, while number of electrons in ABMO is equal to 0. We will put the values in this formula. So 2 multiplied by minus beta plus 0 multiplied by beta. So energy evolved during the formation of H2 molecule is minus 2 beta, and it is called as a stabilization energy. Bond order. We can calculate bond order using the formula 1/2 in bracket number of electron in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO. Number of electron in BMO is equal to 2 and number of electron in ABMO is equal to 0. So 1/2 in bracket 2 minus 0. So that is equal to 1. Since bond order is 1, the H2 molecule is stable molecule. Now magnetic nature. If we observe this diagram, all the electrons present in molecular orbitals are paired. That's why this molecule possesses diamagnetic nature. Since H2 molecule contains all paired electron, it is a diamagnetic in nature. Now let us see molecular orbital diagram for He2 plus ion. He2 plus ion consisting of one helium atom and one helium ion. Helium atom possesses 2 electrons, while helium ion possesses only 1 electron. These 2 atomic orbitals combine and form 2 molecular orbitals, out of which sigma 1s is bonding molecular orbital, while sigma star 1s is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Out of these 3 electrons, 2 electrons are occupied in the bonding molecular orbital. Since the bonding molecular orbital cannot accommodate more than 2 electrons, so the third electron goes into the anti-bonding molecular orbital. We can easily predict the molecular orbital electronic configuration for this molecule. Since sigma 1s consisting of 2 electrons and sigma star 1s possess 1 electron, we can write its molecular orbital electronic configuration as sigma 1s 2 and sigma star 1s 1. So this is the molecular orbital electronic configuration of He2 plus ion. Now let us calculate energy evolved during formation of this molecule. So it can be calculated using this formula. We will directly put the values in the given formula. So number of electron in BMO is equal to 2 and number of electron in ABMO is equal to 1. So 2 into minus beta plus 1 into plus beta. So it becomes minus beta, and hence energy evolved during the formation of He2 plus ion is minus beta, which is a stabilization energy. Now bond order. Bond order means the number of bonds between the two atoms. It can be calculated by using the formula 1/2 in bracket number of electrons in BMO minus number of electron in ABMO. We will put the values in this formula. Number of electron in BMO is 2 and number of electron in ABMO is 1. So 1/2 in bracket 2 minus 1. It becomes half. Bond order 1/2 indicates that He2 plus molecule is somewhat stable. Magnetic nature of He2 plus molecule. Let us see diagram one more time. So there is presence of one unpaired electron in this molecular orbital diagram. It indicates that the He2 plus ion is paramagnetic in nature. Since He2 plus ion contains one unpaired electron, it is paramagnetic in nature. Now let us see molecular orbital energy level diagram for He2 molecule. So He2 molecule contains 2 helium atoms and 4 electrons, out of which first helium atom possesses 2 electrons, second helium atom also possesses 2 electrons. So 2 atomic orbital combines and form one bonding, that is sigma 1s, and one anti-bonding, that is sigma star 1s. Out of these 4 electrons, first 2 electrons are occupied in the bonding molecular orbital. The bonding molecular orbital can accommodate only 2 electrons. So the next 2 electrons go to the anti-bonding molecular orbital as shown here. We can easily predict the molecular orbital electronic configuration for He2 molecule. So He2 molecule, sigma 1s possesses 2 electrons, sigma star 1s also possesses 2 electrons. So its molecular orbital electronic configuration can be written as sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. This is the molecular orbital electronic configuration for the He2 molecule. Let us calculate energy evolved. So energy evolved can be calculated by using this formula. Let us put the values. The number of electron in BMO, that is 2. 2 into minus beta plus 2 into beta. So minus 2 beta plus 2 beta becomes 0. So energy evolved in the formation of He2 molecule is 0. Stabilization energy is 0. Now let us calculate bond order. Bond order is the number of bonds present between the two atoms. It is given by the formula bond order is equal to 1/2 in bracket number of electrons in BMO minus number of electrons in ABMO. BMO consisting of 2 electrons and ABMO also possess 2 electrons. So 1/2 in bracket 2 minus 2, which is 0. So bond order 0 indicates that there is no bond formation between the two helium atoms, and hence helium 2 molecule does not exist. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can contact me on this email ID. In the next lecture, we will see molecular orbital energy level diagram for homonuclear diatomic molecules of second row elements. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you all.